fallout free go-to glam eyeshadow look, you just found the tutorial. Check and make sure that your lid isn't too dry. That's gonna give our eyeshadow stick a little bit more blend time. Once they set, they do not move. That's a good thing. When I'm in a hurry, I wanna use a fluffy brush, and we wanted to start to diffuse this a little bit. First, we're gonna get our wash of color. Then I'm gonna go back in and add some more definition. Eyeshadow sticks are also a great idea if you're one that does your base first, because you're not gonna have fallout. Switch to a smaller brush. We're just gonna tap to smudge this, and then I'm gonna tap and angle it upwards just for a little bit of a faux wing. This is so pigmented, I haven't added any more. I'm just gonna bring a little bit on the bottom lash line. Now we're gonna do this shade on our lid, and this is so pretty. It looks like suede. And then a little bit through here, and then let's go ahead and do it on our waterline. I'm gonna use a little bit of powder foundation just to kind of blur everything together a little bit more. Finishing up the look, let's powder our eyelash curler, and here is our finished eye look. Now save this for later because I have a feeling you might want to recreate this.